Hi friends, this is Aashrith Dance and Tech channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to make your own name ringtone. Go to Google. Search Pro WhatsApp. Pro Kerala ringtone. It's a Pro Kerala ringtone maker. Search it. Go to the first site. Go down, create your name ringtone, it will be written here. Go into that. First, you should enter your name. Enter your name as well. Enter as Aashrith. And choose a text message. If you want anything, you can catch up anything. I'll keep it as someone is calling you. Phone bell. iPhone ringtone. Make ringtone. I'll click. It will be loading some time.
Aashrith, someone is calling you.
See.
Aashrith, someone is calling you. Aashrith, someone is
If you want to
calling
download it, download here. Download MP3 will be written
someone
here.
is calling you.
Okay, you can download
Aashrith,
it.
someone
Okay
is calling.
friends, thank you for this video and please subscribe my channel and like my channel.